Now, we want to press from 36 to 42. So, we know 36 pays 42. So we take that. Our green, 3 red and 2 white. Keep our 6. Hand the rest off. Stack it up. And we have a proper cap. Proper cap. White to red, red to green. Now, is there an easier way to get from 36 to 42? Of course there is. Otherwise I wouldn't mention it. Let's go back to the payoff. 36 pays how much? 42.
What's that?
We want to press the bet $6.
Yeah, that's 50 bucks, dude.
What's that going to take it to? 36 plus 6 is 42. All we need to do is stack off the payoff in the inside hand, grab the existing bet with the outside hand, switch them, hand off the existing bet. That's 36 to 42. Now, moving on from there.
Free, crap free, come away.
Now we have 42 out there. What does 42 pay? You should say 49. Why? Just review. Every 6 pays 7. So 42 divided by 6 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. But if you have a proper cap on a 6 and 8, you have another shortcut.
That's what I'm saying.
We have a proper cap here? Yes, we do. Cap is proportional to the base.
Like every night there are.
So we know the bet is 42. The formula for a 6 or 8 with a proper cap
I don't know.
is the bet pays the amount of the bet, which is 42, plus the cap, which is 7.
What are you playing on?
Oops, I took one too many.
Okay, so
There we go.
That's 55.
I made a mistake somewhere. So we have the 42, which is the bet, plus 7 equals 49.
And then the horn head.
Okay, everybody see that? We have the bet,
Just don't play around. Yeah.
which is 42,
Oh, we had the blacks.
plus the cap, which is 7. There's the cap, 7.
It's annoying though. Like, I'm not getting for this out.
There's the whole bet,
$675.
42.
4, single field, point score, mark.
Add them together, 49. That's how you can figure the payoff if you have a proper cap. It works only if you have a proper cap, so please keep that in mind.
$45.
So,
$5
we know 42 pays 49. And we want to press it up 1 unit, which is $6.
Oh, that's the flat, that's right.
Nothing wrong. Bringing out 49. Keeping 6. Handing the rest off. Go ahead and stack it up. Make it look pretty. And we make sure we have a proper cap. Is there any other way to do this? Oh
That
yeah,
looks like 5. No.
there's a few ways to do it.
It's only $45 for $5.
Go ahead and take this back. 42.
Let me get 30.
Going from 42 to 49 doesn't afford as many, I guess, fancy moves as the other bets. The only one I can think
5
of
to 10?
is you have the 49 out there. You can go ahead and hold the white,
4 is?
press the green in there,
Here.
stack that up, and it leaves 6 behind. What happened was this. As you press the green underneath, it pushes the bottom 2 checks of each stack to the right, or to the outside.
Out, the little out.
So it separates them, making it easy to pick up 3 off of each, stack it up on the quarter, hand it off, and you have the 6 left there.
You're gonna be able to do it by 3.
Nothing fancy, but it's a little bit of flash that as you get better and work it into your repertoire, it's the kind of thing that'll your players will appreciate. So now we went from 42 to 48. Try to go hand to hand again, group shame. And we want to go from 48 to 54. I remember I mentioned 54 earlier. I'll show you why. 48 pays how much? 56.
That was you, right?
So we cut out 56. This one's easy. Look, we got 6 ready-made for us. Hand off the 50, and there we go. And we got a proper cap.
What do you mean by that?
But look at all those checks.
Yeah, whatever.
This thing's 10 checks high.
Oh, $9 way, okay.
And then the dice are coming this way,
$6, yeah.
and you know what's gonna happen the first time you get it. So a lot of times,
Yeah, what's?
you will see dealers
What are you gonna see?
set up 54 like this.
Well, is somebody, do you wanna tap in?
2 green, 4 white. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's the proper amount. If you know what it pays, you can go ahead and pay it. The only difference is you don't have a proper cap. So let's see how we can get from here, 48, over to 54, that's set up like this.
Neil's doing the early class. Right.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
He's really helpful, I think.
Cut out our 56.
I was out with him.
So we need to end up with 2 green and 4 white. Simplest way to do this, square up the bet with your inside hand, pick up the 3 white, stack, stack. With your outside hand, pick up the 1 red, put it on the bet, hand it off, and we have $54.
All right.
So at normal speed, or my normal speed anyway, it's going to look like this. Get this set back up. All right. 56. And we have 54 with what's called an improper
No
cap.
field, 5.
Still a proper bet,
5, mark the 5.
but we don't have a proper cap. So I'm going to switch back to the proper cap. All right.
You guys wrote
Proper.
the
Everyone see it?
class? Yeah.
Last one. 54 goes to 60. We're going to do it the long way, and then I'll show you the shortcut. Long way first. 54 pays 63. 63. We're going to leave behind, whoops, that was sloppy. We're going to, still sloppy. We're going to leave behind our 6, hand that off, and the 6 goes on here, and we're at a 12 check stack, or as tall as I'd ever want to get. Then we take this, move that to the box,
6, no field,
and we set up
corner,
60.
down behind, don't you come-
but how can we set that up as part of our payoff? And the more observant of you have probably already seen how we can do that.
Thank you. $25 high yield, straight out there.
54. $9 cap. Remember, our bet pays 63. 2 green, 2 red, 3 white. We have the 60 out there already. Take the 3, top of the bet, give the whole thing to the player, inside hand, stacks up to 60. And that's all the single presses from 6 up to 60.